Oh yeah, not even half a mile in, and we already got to get off the kayaks.
Hell yeah.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We're out here fishing. Get that sun. Got the rods and everything ready. Just cutting up the bait. Buddy Mario hooked it up. Like 29 degrees out here. Alright, y'all, well, this is what we're working with. Big old shad, big old hook. You're gonna kayak the line out. Get that right there. Kayak the line out a couple 100 feet. See whatever bites. Put the weight on it. Get in the kayak, get the other rod ready, and we're gonna roll out.
Yeah, well, we're kayaking baits out. Got the first bait right here. Other one's over there.
Alright, y'all, buddy came. Now we got rods out in the water. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 rods in the water. Got the radio ready. We're gonna yak all the lines out. Hopefully we catch a big old fish. Yeah, well, instead of yakking baits out, we're gonna drone them out. We got 8 lines in the water. 2 more, but with the drone. Oh, that's that little hook under it?
Yeah, look. Put the hook right there. Put it like you see right there. And right in between there.
The hook?
No, right here. This.
Oh, okay. Right here?
Yeah.
Oh, gotcha.
¿Listo, no? Mira. Más dale más a la izquierda. ¿A la izquierda? Sí. Más. Ahí así. Ahí así.
¿No se va a cruzar?
No, va más adelante. Oh, no, sí, dale un poquito más a la derecha, Mario. Más. Ahí así, ¿verdad?
Porque al parecer está aquí.
Ok, dale más a la derecha, más. Ahí así, ¿va?
Sí, porque va a llegar a los palos, ¿no?
Ahí está.
And then he releases it. It's coming straight back. Look at all the rods. What is that motherfucker?
Ahí derecho, Mario, más acá. Ahí así, ahí derecho.
All right, everybody. We switched spots. Now we're at the other side of the lake. Lost a lot of liters and weight. A lot of snags. Using some 4 ounces of weight. Yeah, but yeah, this is our rig, everybody. Put some shad and send them out. Gotta get this one ready as well.
You gotta hit it home. Estaba allá, pero I got enough to go. But yeah, just hold it like that, straight up.
And make sure the line is not wrapped. All right.
Pero mira, face it that way. There you go. Put it straight.
Is it open? Let me see that bit. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Espérate.
Ah, but he feels heavy. Hey, grab the GoPro. It's already recording. It's already recording. Yeah, it feels heavy.
Está bueno, ¿va?
Sí. Grab the fish grippers, Juan.
That's why he's heavy.
Yeah.
That fucking light 100 here, that you ain't slapping that motherfucker.
Get it, Juan, with your hands.
Fuck no. Come on, man. Ese es el fin. Pegó.
Oh, you forget that, forget. Get it with your hands, bro. Get it with your hands, boy. Motherfucker cold. How much it weighs, Juan? Huh? 14, 12. Stick your hand in one. Huh? Why not? Hey, taking a picture of my phone. Grab my phone.
Viéntaselo, viéntaselo.
I think they're drinking the water.
This nigga. Hey, nigga, take a picture with it.
Yeah, no, he ain't eating that shit.
Take a picture with it.
Yeah, I'm good.
Why not?
Mira, bait up your line para aventarla before I leave, bro. Sí, vuelve a
Alright.
aventar antes que me vaya. Sí, que quede lista otra vez para que remalle.